Hello, Jan here from Forest Bathing Nature Tonic, and it's raining. I brought you out to experience this gentle drip, drip, drip rain. The woods have been so full of song for weeks, and now they're silent. I guess they've got other things to do. All I can hear is the drips. Very atmospheric. I'm underneath this limb of the tree, which gives some shelter from the rain for about an hour actually, before it gets damp. And it's a lovely place to just take some time and watch the woods soaking up the water. So I came out about a week ago and made a video about the rain, but it was a bit of a tease really. It was just one night's rain and it wasn't sufficient. The woods remain dry, but we're forecast days of rain now, and I'm really hoping this is going to bring things alive, start the nectar flow for the insects, and water my vegetable garden. I don't have anything to say really, I just wanted to capture the atmosphere for you. Enjoy. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. And just to explain that there are lots of helicopter and plane noises today. The sound is carrying very well. We live near an airbase, and those guys are out delivering medical supplies and goodness knows what. So that is also a beautiful sound at the moment.